Thanks for checking out my free tap dance classes. This dance class video is a recording of the free online tap classes that I teach weekly. If you can't attend the weekly live classes, definitely subscribe to this channel so you can learn to tap dance with the tutorials and live class recordings. I also post contests you can enter to win free private tap dance lessons with me. Happy tapping! 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, and switch. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 1. Now your heel. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 2, 1, 1, and switch. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 1. Now heel toe. Heel toe. Heel toe. Heel toe. And to the side. Heel toe. 2 to the front. 2 to the side. And 1. And 1. And 1. And switch. 4, 3, 2, 1 inside. 4, 3, 2, 1 to front, 2 to side, and 1. Fall lap to the front, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 1. And switch for front, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1 inside, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1 to front. A lap, heel for the front, a lap, heel, a lap, heel, a lap, heel, and to the side, and 4, 3, and switch, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1 for side, and 1, and 1, and now for the shuffles, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4 to the side, and 1, and 2 to the front, and 2 to the side, and 1, and 1, and 1, and switch, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1 for side, Good, good, good. Okay, so now the second warm-up that we started last week is all of the same steps, but the pattern is 1 tap, ball change, 1 tap, ball change, 2, 2, ball change, switch. And then you do your other foot with the toe. Then you do the heel, ball change, heel, ball change, heel, heel, ball change, switch, other foot, heel, toe. Yeah, all that, we got it. All right. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, and nerve tap, ball change, nerve tap, ball change, 2, 1, ball change, heel. Heel toe, ball change, heel toe, ball change, heel toe, ball change, switch. Heel toe, ball change, heel toe, ball change, heel toe, now do the flap, ball change, ball change, ball change, switch, ball change, ball ball change, flat, flat. Now add the heel, flat, heel, ball change, flat, heel, ball change, flat, heel, ball change, switch, flat, heel, ball change. Now for the shuffle. Okay, now I'm going to show you a new step. It's called a cramp roll. So it sounds pretty basic, but it can become pretty cool. It's toe, toe, heel, heel. Right toe, right heel, left heel. Okay, so it's not this. That's something different. This is where you go up on your right toe and you stay up there. You don't put your right heel down. Then you're on your left toe, then your right heel, then your left heel. So it looks like this. Okay, so let's try that. Right toe, right heel, left heel. Right toe, left heel, right heel, left heel. Blech. Okay, now you're going to add a little leap onto that toe to start. Okay, leap on, heel, heel. That was not the right rhythm. That's the right rhythm. Okay, let me see you try that. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Good. All right. So now try starting with your left heel, left toe, right toe, left heel, right heel. I don't know if I just said that right. That's the one thing with my live class recordings versus my actual video lessons. Sometimes I say the wrong thing, but nobody would remember in a live class. But this one's recorded. Okay, so let's do it slowly. I want to do a right one and then a left one. So watch this. Right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right. Okay, so like in a beginner child class, I would never do that because it hurts your brain. But we want to get our brains working, okay? So let's try it. 5, 6, ready, go. Right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right. Good? Okay, so now if you haven't already, add that little leap on to start it. Alright, so let's try right and then left with that little leap and that rhythm, which is 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Slower. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Okay, great. Now let's move on to our dance. So, have any of you seen the videos where I do a few different versions? Has anyone tried a harder version? Yeah, thumbs up? Okay. Alright, so this is the one for extreme beginners. So the heel to the right and together, shuffle step on the left. And it repeats, heel, together, shuffle, step. Now it makes 3 steps to the side. 1, 2, 3, and then a heel. But if you want, from our warm-up, you could do a flap, together, flap, heel, heel. Or you can do flap, heel, together, flap, heel, heel. And this is the rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. Alright, so let's try that. Let's just do the 3 steps from the beginning. 5, 6, ready, and heel, together, shuffle, step. Heel, together, shuffle, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. I missed my shuffle. Am I going to edit that out when I make this video? Think people will judge me? It happens, right? Here we go. 5, 6, dig your heel. Heel, together, shuffle, step. Heel, together, shuffle, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's do it with flat, together, flat, heel, heel. 5, 6, from the top. Heel together, shuffle, step. Heel together, shuffle, step. Flap together, flap, heel, heel. Good. From there, ball, change, step. So you're here, left heel dig, bring it back. Ball, change together. Good. Now you do shuffle, ball, change right and shuffle, ball, change left. Shuffle, ball, change, step. Shuffle, ball, change, step. Now I think somewhere along the line I changed this part. It was a kick, but I want to heel scuff, heel scuff. So you were here, ball, change, step, shuffle, ball, change, step, shuffle, ball, change, heel scuff, kick, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, toe. Now, if this is the first time watching this video, I don't normally go this fast, but this is the third class that we've been working on this. So any of my new extreme beginners that end up watching this video, go back to the first and second extreme beginner lesson because I did it much slower. Okay, so from the kicks. Yeah, you repeat the whole thing again from the top. Heel, step, shuffle, step. Remember? Then the new step, after you do all of that again, is this. Heel, spank, toe, step. Heel, spank, toe, step. I slipped. That's not the rhythm. Da 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 da. Okay? So if you want to do it straight, that's it, yeah. If you want to do it straight, like this. Heel scuff forward, toe spank back, toe dig together. Da 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 da. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, let me see that. 5, 6, ready, and heel and spank and toe together. Heel and spank and toe together. Good. If you want to make it fancy, you swing it around a little. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. If you've never watched this dance before, I'm humming the song. Okay, so you do 4 of those. Ready? 5, 6, ready, and heel, spank, toe, and I said it wrong. Heel, scuff, toe, spank, toe together. Heel, scuff, toe, spank, toe together. Heel, spank, toe, blah, 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 blah. Yeah? Who wants to volunteer to say that for me? Sorry about that. Okay, let's try it again. I'll do it straight without the swinging leg facing you. 5, 6, ready, and. Da 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 da. Good. Let's add the swing to the leg. Ready? I'll try it sideways. 5, 6, ready, and. Da 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 da. Good. Now, if you want to get a little fancy, heel, heel, spank, toe, step. Let me turn around. Heel, heel, toe, and dig and step. Heel, heel, toe, and dig and step. Heel, heel, spank, toe, step. So all I changed is I added a heel on my standing leg after the scuff. Heel, heel, spank, toe and step. Heel, scuff, heel, and toe and blah. Yeah? Got it? So add the swing, it's like this. Heel, heel, spank, toe and step. Heel, heel, spank, toe and step. So the counts are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the added heel is on the and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah? Okay, let's try this with the music. Okay, let's do it with the music. So it repeats twice through before this part. So the first time through, I'm going to do the 3 steps to the side. The second time through, I'm going to do flap together, flap, heel, heel. You may choose whichever you like. Long intro, sorry. Ready? 5, 6, ready, and 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball change, step. Shuffle, ball change, repeat again. Shuffle, ball change, stop. From the beginning, heel step, shuffle step. I'm doing the flaps now. Flap together, flap your heel. Ball change, step. Now for the swinging heel scuff spank thing. Heel spank, toe step, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Keep going, try some more. Heel spank, toe step, heel spank, and extra heel. How'd you do? Okay, so we did a lot of these because I just got carried away. So here's the view from the side. Heel, heel, spank, toe and step. Heel, heel, spank, toe and step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Nice work. All right, let's do it again and I'll watch you guys, okay?